this video, I'm going to be looking at civil courts, the types of civil courts, the jurisdictions, and the free track system. This is part of the topic of English legal system from paper 1 of A-Level Law. So, there are two types of civil court that we're going to be looking at today. The first one is the county court, and this can try most civil cases up to £100,000 in value. They deal with the majority of civil disputes, some examples of which include tort claims, debt claims, housing, bankruptcy, and probate claims. Claims are heard by a single judge, usually a circuit judge. More straightforward cases of a lower value can be heard by a district judge. Obviously, a very brief summary, but this is the main points that you'll need to know. The other type of court is the High Court, and this is split into three separate divisions. The first division is the Chancery. This specialises in business, property and land disputes over £100,000 in value. It also deals with trust disputes and probate claims. The second one is the King's Bench Division. The largest of the divisions is contract and tort cases above £100,000 in value, and smaller claims with more complicated issues of law. There are also subdivisions of the King's Bench, including the Administrative Court, which hears applications for judicial review, and the Circuit Commercial Courts, and these are just a couple of examples. The third division is the family one, and this hears cases involving the protection of children, such as divorces and custody cases. The last thing I'll go over is the three-track system. The first of the tracks is the small claims. This hears straightforward claims of no more than £10,000 or £1,000 in personal injury. The claim is heard by a district judge, and lawyers are not encouraged to reduce cost. The second track is the fast track. This hears cases between £10,000 and £25,000. The case will have a strict timetable of 30 weeks and is usually heard by a circuit judge. The parties can be represented by a lawyer. The final track is multi-track, and this is between £25,000 and £50,000, usually before a circuit judge in a county court. A strict timetable is set and the case is managed by the judge. If the case involves complicated points of law, it can be passed up to the High Court. Here's an example of what a question may look like on this topic, and this was actually from the paper from 2019, so it's a good indicator of exactly what they'll ask. Obviously, this is a very brief summary of the topics, and if you want to know more, then obviously ask the teacher or look in the textbook. This is just the main key points that will get you most of the marks of the question. Anyway, thanks for watching, have a nice day.